How to delete archived workflows in n8n. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can quickly delete an actually archived workflow. So for that, the first thing that you need to do is launch your n8n instance. As you can see, I have launched my local n8n instance, and from here I need to click on overview, and under workflows I can see all of my workflows. Now if you are not able to see your archived workflows, you need to head on to filters and enable this toggle that says show archived workflows, and you will be able to see your archived workflows as well. Click into these three dots and then choose the delete button, and it will ask you for a final confirmation that are you sure that you want to delete the particular workflow permanently. If you wish to proceed, click onto this yes delete button, and you will see the notification confirming that the workflow has been permanently deleted. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.